Goodnight Bird. On a tree, on a hill, lived a bird that would not sleep.
I'm not tired,
Bird said, as the sun turned pink and the sky turned dark. Sleep, said the sun. You need your rest. Now close your eyes, get in your nest.
but I'm not tired. I'm not tired. I'm not tired.
Sleep, said the moon. Now, I mean that. You're a little bird. You're not a bat.
I'm not tired.
Bird said with a yawn, and the owl woke up, and the stars came out. Sleep, said the stars. We saw you yawn. Now lay your beak down. Don't wake till dawn.
I'm not tired.
Bird said one time more, and he closed his eyes and began to snore. And he snored, and he snored, and he snored.